using John the Ripper tool. Now in this video we are going to take a look at couple of points. First of all, what is John the Ripper tool, and then how we can perform password cracking using John the Ripper. So now you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and there I'm going to show you that how you can use John the Ripper for password cracking. So now I'm here at Kali Linux operating system, and let me show you first of all that where John the Ripper is. So if you can click applications, if you can select password crack, then here you can see this is John the Ripper tool. Click it and you can learn more about it. Right, so this is John the Ripper, right, and it is a password cracker, and this is the version of the John the Ripper in Linux operating system, right? And these all are the uses of John the Ripper, but we are not going inside so deep, right? So let me close it. Now which file we are going to crack here? We are going to crack the Kali Linux login file. It means the file which contains the password of Kali Linux operating system. We are going to crack here using John the Ripper, right? Because Linux is a very secure operating system, but John the Ripper is a very strong password cracking tool which is used for cracking the hashes inside a file. First of all, let me show you where the file available. So if you can click on places, then if you can click on computer, then you can find out the file here, which is etc file. Here it is, right? Inside etc you need to find out the shadow file, right? So you need to come down, and here you need to find out the shadow file. So here it is, the shadow file available. Double click here and open this file. Here it is. So you can see here that this is the username and password file of Kali Linux login, in which you can see the username is already showing here. The username is root, but the password is in hashes, right? Our goal is to crack the hashes of this shadow file to get the password of Kali Linux operating system, right? Others are just dummies. You don't need to take care about it. The first line you can see here is the username and the password of Kali Linux operating system, right? So I'm able to open the shadow file inside Kali Linux, but I am not able to get the password in plain text, right? So how we can use John the Ripper to crack this password, and which algorithm the shadow file is using inside Kali Linux, that I'm going to show you here. So let me close everything. First of all, you need to open a terminal inside Kali Linux. So let me click here and open the terminal. So here we are. Now first of all, we need to check that which algorithm is used inside shadow file of Kali Linux, right? As I already told you, that shadow file is the file which contains the password of the Kali Linux login. So first of all, we need to check that which algorithm they are using, and then we will crack it using John the Ripper. So to check the algorithm, you can type here John space where the file is available. You need to provide here the path. So the path is /etc folder /shadow file. So you can type here John space /etc /shadow. Hit enter, and here you can see that warning detected hash type this one. So you can see here that it is showing us that SHA-512 encryption is used inside this shadow file, and SHA algorithm is very secure algorithm. The full form of SHA is secure hashing algorithm, and it is using the 512 version of it, right? It means Kali Linux is using a very secure algorithm inside the login file of it. It means the tool we are going to use should be stronger than this kind of algorithm so that it can crack it, right? And John the Ripper is very popular tool in industry, which is used for cracking these hashes, right? So let me show you that how you can crack the shadow file hashes here. So to crack the shadow file hashes, you can type here John space /etc /shadow, right? And after that you need to specify an option here, which is --show, right? As our username and password is root and tour, right? ROOT is the username and TOR is the password. Let's see if it is able to crack the shadow file or not, and hit enter. So here you can see that we got the right username and password here. One password hash cracked. It means John the Ripper has successfully cracked the username and password of Kali Linux operating system. So you can see here that root was already there in shadow file, right? So this is tour. Tour is the password of Kali Linux operating system. It means John the Ripper has cracked SHA-512 algorithm inside shadow file and provided us the password in plain text, which is tour. So that's how you can get information about the username and password of the Kali Linux operating system using John the Ripper, and John the Ripper can crack many hashes using its files or dictionaries, right? So this is all about the password cracking tool John the Ripper inside Kali Linux operating system. In the next video, we are going to learn that how you can set up file transfer protocol inside Windows operating system that I'm going to show you inside the next video. So thank you so much for your time.